guys, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and we are back today at the Pop Century Resort. I didn't get a chance to finish all of the centuries before, the decades. And so I came back today to finish up the 50s, 60s, and 70s. So right now I'm in the 50s, and let me get you turned around so we can all take a look. I really like what they did with the 50s. It's got a lot of the sock hops and the dances and the poodle skirts and bowling, transistor radios. See the big bowling pins that cover the stairways at the corners of each building. I apologize, it's a little noisy. They're doing a little bit of refurb work over on one of the buildings. They're doing some power washing, so it'll make it a little noisy as we go along, but try to avoid that as much as we can. As we go through to the center here, of course, one of the most popular films in the 50s was Lady and the Tramp. So that is the two big icons in the center here. There's Lady. And across the way would be the Tramp around the tree there. And there's the crane that they're doing the refurb work. Good morning, Victoria. Everything is great today. Another great day. Checking out the Pop Century. Yesterday at the Animal Kingdom was great. Truly love that resort. Wilderness Lodge as well. But we are here today in the 50s at the Pop Century. They're doing a little painting on Lady over here as well. Looks like she could use a few touch-ups, which is nice. Disney always likes to keep up with their appearance, which is a good thing. There's the pool, which is in the shape of a bowling pin. The pool is actually closed today. Must be doing some work to that as well. They don't seem to be doing it right now, but it is closed. Very nice pool. Again with the bowling theme. I'll take you around in the back here. You can see in the back building there is a jukebox. As we get closer, they are playing music from the 50s. I heard some Elvis earlier. I heard the Davy Crockett theme song. Yeah, this resort has truly grown on me. I never really spent a whole lot of time here, but the more time I've been spending here lately, I've really grown to like it. I love the different decades. The theming is great. Let me get you a closer look at the jukebox here. Oh, there's squirrels all around this morning. See this little guy? There he is. Buddy? He's out looking for some kind of breakfast or lunch. Should start to hear the music now. Get you in that 50s mood. This is kind of neat too. It's the facilities for the pool, but it's your bowling shoes. It's the rack that your bowling shoes would go in. It's kind of cool. It's like a little laundry facility in here. Kind of hard to see through the window. I think it's locked, so yeah. And here's the jukebox. Glad to hear that you like your stay here, Victoria. I have a lot of people that are coming to this resort over the next year. So they're looking for some suggestions and to get some opinions on what people think of it here. I posted the renovated room earlier. The rooms are very nice. They should be done hopefully. Now I've heard August, but then I've also heard towards the fall, so we'll see. Renovated rooms are never guaranteed. I believe the 80s and 90s are completely done, and they're working on the 70s, and I'm sure they'll get to the 50s and 60s here shortly. Alright, so that is a walk around the 50s. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll try to hit the 60s and the 70s here shortly once I get over there. Always thanks for watching. Catch us at PassportToTheParks.com. Check out our videos on YouTube at Passport to the Parks. Find us on Twitter, Instagram, and of course here at Facebook. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.